Guys, good morning. And as you can see, I'm here in my little garden because I'm going to uh, give you a little update about uh, my plant vegetable, and then also the especially the tomato that I vlog lately or before. So that right now is so far are so good because someone else that's someone advised me that what I'm doing to my tomatoes. So right now is I'm going to update. Then also the weather, guys. Update our weather here is so far so good. Not just like yesterday. It's so windy. It's so rainy. But last night is also raining pa rin, but I'm so happy that right now is the rain is stopped, and then it's a little bit of sunlight but hindi masyadong mainit. So the soil is so wet, so that I'm doing my garden because there's a lot of grass na, so we need to cut the grass and then clean up my garden. So let's go, guys. So happy, guys. Look at my eggplant. Look at the eggplant. It's so ready to harvest. It's so ready to harvest na. I'm so happy because I have a free dinner na later. So look, this one is so big. Yes. And this eggplant is so old na. How many months na to? So right now is ay kuan na. Meron pa din siyang what I mean eggplant. So I'm going to pick. Baka maunahan pa ko sa insekto nito. Ah. Mm. Woo! I have a dinner na later. This is my favorite. To make a tortang talong. You are familiar of tortang talong. That is eggplant and the egg. So yummy. No need to buy na. So the store to make our dinner later because I have a free dinner. Dish for dinner, what I mean. So sorry. You can see, guys, there's a lot of grass. So that we need to pull out here. We need to pull out the grass because it's too messy, right? It's not good to see when the garden is there's a lot of grass. Oh no, there is a wild pepino, but it's so ripe na. So ripe. So I did not eat. Yeah. We need to pull up the grass. We need to pull out or cut. Oh, there's a lot of wild pepino here. But so ripe. It's so ripe. So I don't get it. I don't know how to taste a ripe wild pepino. I mean, I'm so sorry. Wild cucumber. Yeah, wild cucumber. Pepino is the Tagalog of cucumber. Pepino or uh, and, cucumber in English and pepino in Tagalog and Bisaya. So this area, it's so lot. There's a lot of grass. We need to cut. This like of grass, guys, is fun also in your area or in your place. This like of grass, it's called hagunoy. Ay, skylab. It is skylab. When you have a cut in your skin, you put it the leaves, then put the cut. When you are yung ano ba, sugat. This is our first aid medicine here in the mountain when my skin is cut in the knife or any else sharp. So this kind of leaves. This is our first aid here in the mountain. I hope you understand what I'm saying because I'm not good. I'm not really good in English. You understand na lang. Ah, and look at the cigarillas, guys. There is a lot of ah, so I need to go and pick. I need to pick na because when it's older, it's not ko na. It's not hindi na siya ano. It's so hard na to. When it's old, nothing to ko na. Hindi na siya pwedeng lutuin because the yung ano na ba, it's so old. So right now when he's young, we need to pick because it's too west if they are I did not pick it. But right now today I did not cook because yesterday this is our dish. So maybe tomorrow I cook sigarilyas because later our dinner is yung eggplant because I miss eggplant na because it's about how many weeks I did not eat eggplant because may kuan right now lang nakapag-harvest sa eggplant. Ouch. Look guys, this is all I harvested sigarilyas. Oh, there's a lot. Yesterday is I'm harvesting this one, but right now there is more sigarilyas pa. So I'm so very happy that I'm so blessed because I have a lot of vegetable here because here if you living in the mountain guys, you know that uh, all you need is hard work. If you want to get a free dish or free food, then you can less the expensive every day because near in your house you have a plant vegetable, then any kind of wherever you want a vegetable in the plant in your area or in your near in your house. So that for me is I'm so happy because I have a lot of plants. So look at and also the eggplant. So later I have a free dish. So I don't need to buy in the store. So hindi na ako mamroblema. I'm not kuan na. There is no problem to the dish. So malaking tipid. I'm taking a picture for a thumbnail. So, right now, let's proceed to my tomato plant. Be careful. Ouch! Wow. Look at the my tomato plant, guys. So far so good. They grow healthy, and then I'm going to wait for the tomato result. So, but kuan I have what? Then guys, I have someone else that suggested to me that every uh every week I put a cracked egg on crack shell eggshell. I mean eggshell on the tomato, because the eggshell is produce what I mean produce uh produce a healthy plant. And then also the green chili, there's a lot of bunga. Look at the green chili. There's a lot. See? Then we need to cut the grass here near and the tomato, because the grass is so tall. Dito kan bamboo in the body of the to make sure that it will not fall. Or maano siyang habit. I have already have old sigarilyas that we make seedling to plant again. So this is the seed. It's like the it look like the egg of the lizard. It look like an egg. So I plant it again because the is malapit na siyang malugnas, malapit na siyang tumanda. Ouch! And I have two bottle here like this. Then I put it in the seeds of the sigarilyas, just like green beans, just like. Then right now is I'm going to plant because kuan, first that I plant is also older na. So we need to plant again. Then when he grow, I transfer it on the other space. Here in the mountain, guys, is also you need to hard work because here is there's a lot of space to plant a vegetable. And this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me every day when I'm doing live or I have a video upload. Thank you very much. So I'm going home now because my son is already wake up. So when I need to take care of my kids. So bye. This is all I harvest. So I have a free dish later on our dinner. Thank you.